all by ourselves. Never need no one else. Do you remember the sweet talk? The way we used to fight about the same old shit. Always so full of it. 'Cause I miss the days when we were alive. And I miss the way your hand fits in mine. We used to burn like forest fires. Our faces made for each other's eyes. We were alive. Where did we go to die? 'Cause I miss my forest fire. You told me this was real love. You said you never give up, but where are you now? Who do you think about? 'Cause I was breathing for you with all my lungs, and I was bleeding for you with all my blood. Guess that wasn't enough. I miss the days when we were alive. And I miss the ways that you made me cry, cry. We used to burn like forest fires. Our faces made for each other's eyes. We were alive. Where did we go to die? 'Cause I miss my forest fire. Let's give it another shot, love. We tried our best. Come on, it's worth the fight. Well, I got nothing left. Does it ever end with you? I want you to stay by my side. I think I'll stay home tonight. Baby, let's make this right. Too late, I made up my mind. What do I try with you? We used to burn like forest fires. At least that's how it seemed in my eyes. And maybe I was just another guy, but you were more in my eyes. You were more in my eyes. We used to burn like forest fires. Our faces made for each other's eyes. We were alive. Where did we go to die? 'Cause I miss my forest fire. He was a lost boy causing a scene. Mama said he's hanging with the wrong crowd. Kicked out of high school at 17. Daddy wasn't very proud. And now that he's got nothing to show, he's blowing smoke just to tune everyone out. He finds it easier getting by with his head stuck up in the clouds. But there's no hiding from this one. It'll come back to get you if you open your eyes to see. days go by. All she does is cry.